So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And so today we'll discuss about some apps which are leading to money stealing scams. So many of you are maybe using some remote desktop apps such as AnyDesk, Chrome Remote Desktop, etc. So people who know how to use them doesn't have any trouble with them. But people who doesn't know how to use them properly, how to utilize properly, may face many issues. So one of the main issues is money stealing scam. So many of us may have some problem and try to contact some customer care number. So how do we find the customer care number? We find the customer care number by searching in Google. Though the results of Google are accurate, but you won't get the legit numbers. But instead you'll get some fake numbers. When we contact those fake numbers, they may ask us to share your desktop or your mobile phone, which indirectly leads the scamsters into your desktop or laptop or mobile phones. So the scamster may harvest your bank and UPI login details without your knowing, and also the OTP which are received by your mobile phone. Please note that the remote desktop apps are not malware and are in fact very helpful for someone who utilizes them properly rather than some people who doesn't have proper digital knowledge. And that is useful for some app fraudsters. And please note that authentic customer care support team will never ask you to download some third-party apps to help you with some product issues. And to avoid these frauds, please do not download remote desktop apps, particularly the 7 which I am going to mention right now. First one is TeamViewer Quick Support. TeamViewer Quick Support is a very common app and it is used by many IT employees to control their systems or their mobile phones. While it is very helpful too, but please do not download it unless you know how to operate it, as this is the most common app used by scamsters to steal your OTPs and etc. Second one is Microsoft Remote Desktop. Microsoft Remote Desktop allows users to connect to your PC or virtual app. This may work similar to the quick support, but it could be very effective for scamsters if a victim doesn't know how to use the app. Third one is AnyDesk Remote Control, and this is most preferred tool by many of us, and do not download it unless you know how it works, and stay away from it, as this is also effective for scammers. And the fourth one is AirDroid. Many of you may know AirDroid and may not know AirDroid. AirDroid is used for remote accessing Android phones. And the fifth one is AirMirror. AirMirror is another remote control app which is used to access Android phones. And please do not download this app if someone asks you to, unless you know how it works. And the sixth one is the famous Chrome Remote Desktop. This remote desktop is from Google, which can be very useful, but can also be very dangerous. And the last one, that is the seventh one, is Flashtalk Personal Remote Desktop. And this is same as the other remote desktop, which you need to know or else you may get scammed. Not only this particular remote desktop apps, but also be careful with whatever apps you download from App Store or Play Store. And before downloading any app from the App Store or Play Store, please go to the reviews and try it. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.